Hello, little explorers! Are you ready for a super hot adventure? Let's learn about volcanoes. What is a volcano? It's a mountain with a big opening. Fire and smoke can burst out. Where do volcanoes come from? Deep inside Earth, it's super hot. That heat melts rocks. This melted rock is called magma. It's thick and gooey, like very hot syrup bubbling. Magma collects in a chamber deep underground, waiting for its chance to rise up. The Earth's surface is made of huge pieces called plates. They are always moving slowly. When these plates bump or pull apart, cracks form. Magma finds a way out. It travels through a pipe called a vent, pushing towards the Earth's surface with force. As magma gets closer, pressure builds up, like shaking a fizzy soda bottle really fast. Finally, the pressure is too great. The volcano erupts with a magnificent boom. When magma comes out of the volcano, it's called lava. It flows down the sides. Lava is incredibly hot and glowing red. It moves slowly, burning everything in its path. Volcanoes also shoot out ash and gas. It goes high into the sky, like a giant cloud. There are different kinds of volcanoes. Some are tall and cone-shaped, like Mount Fuji. Others are wide and flat, like shield volcanoes. They look like a warrior's shield. Some volcanoes are active, meaning they can erupt again. They are very exciting. Others are dormant. They are sleeping now, but might wake up someday. Sure. Extinct volcanoes won't erupt anymore. Their fires have gone out forever. They are safe. Volcanoes can be found all over the world, even under the ocean. Wow, amazing! The Ring of Fire is a special area with many volcanoes around the Pacific Ocean. Volcanoes are powerful, but they also help us. They create new land and rich soil. The heat from volcanoes can even warm our homes and make electricity. Super cool! Watching an eruption from a safe distance is truly an incredible sight of nature's power. We learned volcanoes are Earth's vents, spitting out lava, ash, and gas. They are amazing! Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun. See you next time, little explorers! Bye-bye!